If you have lines here or you want to prevent this from happening as you age, it instantly makes you look older than you need to. And guess what? Most of this is not yours. These are deep nasolabial folds that sit there all the time and lines when the skin breaks with too much expression. There are 3 things you need to do to fade these out and kick this aging that isn't yours to the curb. And I've wrapped it all into my Nasolabial Line Eraser course. It is the cost of 1 lunch. It is so easy to fade these out. I did it. I used to have really deep lines like that. And now at 54, I have faded them so much. I'm so happy when I look in the mirror. I think, oh, there I am. And I want you to feel the exact same way. This is my most requested course. I made it for you, for me. This is exactly what I did to fade my lines. And I'm going to teach you how to do it too in 10 minutes a day until you need it less. And remember, nasolabial folds when you smile or express, completely normal. But you don't want those deep lines sitting there 24/7, causing you to look dragged down and not like you. Let's fade those out. We can do it together. Right now, it's on an intro price of $27. Yeah, that's it, 27 bucks, and you can fade these for a lifetime. Whether you've got them now and you want to reverse them, or whether you want to avoid these as you age, it's just a great facelifting course. Anyway, don't wait one more day for fake aging to win. All right.